My name's Cliff Harbor, Vice President of Sales for AtWork Group out of Knoxville, Tennessee. One of the things that makes us quite a lot different than other staffing franchises is we have different revenue streams. Everything from light industrial, clerical, entry-level IT, to permanent placement type work, to medical staffing. Our company was founded by John Hall in the mid-'80s, and we started franchising in 1992. Our initial franchise fee is $35,000. We do give a 20% vet friend discount, and as you can see here, this is our item 7 total first year expected investment. We have several multi-unit owners. We do encourage new owners to start with one office, get comfortable doing business with us and us them, comfortable in the industry, and then if the owner has a vision of multi-offices, we'll definitely help them achieve that. Our franchise disclosure document includes an item 19, which discloses an average gross sales amongst all of our existing offices, as you can see here. At AtWork, we've got a very comprehensive training program. It's designed to take new owners from no knowledge of staffing up to successfully running a staffing office, as well as ongoing operational support. It'll begin with some remote training. Most of the remote training has to do with employment laws and so forth. Then it goes to an owner launch camp. We talk to the owner about how they're going to manage and pay their internal employees, how the owners make their money. Once everything is set, the offices are ready to open, internal staff is hired, we invite the whole team back to Knoxville for a full week. We'll go through everything from how to find the workers, to how to find the customers, systems, and everything in between. A lot of our owners have come out of corporate America. They talk about how rewarding it is to run an AtWork office. You're helping employees find new employment, helping businesses in your area succeed. Our most successful owners are people persons. Has to be someone that likes to network, go out and get involved in the community, help people find new jobs and businesses in their area succeed. We look for a net worth of around $250,000. When an owner starts up, it is an owner-operator role. They can start with anywhere from 2 to 4 employees. It's usually the owner plus 1 if they want to be a little more conservative, the owner plus 2 if they want to be a little more aggressive and the budget allows it. Of those 2 to 4 people, you have 2 different roles taking place simultaneously. There's a recruiter who usually sits at the front desk of the office, helping the potential workers when they walk in the door looking for a job. And then the owner usually takes on the business development role, also known as sales. Once again, this is very much a relationship business. One of the key factors that drives candidates in moving forward with us is the fact that the corporate office handles all of the backroom accounting function for them. It takes a huge burden off of them as the owner because we pay the labor, we invoice their customers, also handle their accounts receivable function. So it allows them to keep a very small internal staff, find jobs for people, people for the jobs, put them together. After they're satisfied with their validation calls, I'll get them set up for a brief conversation with the president of our company, Jason Leverett. After that call, we'll start looking at the calendar to see when we can get them to Knoxville for a discovery day. We do individual discovery days, one owner at a time. That entire day is set aside just for them, talking about their business and their market. Throughout Discovery Day, we go through everything from budgets to various factors that are specific to their territory. So by the end of Discovery Day, hopefully they have all the information necessary to decide whether or not they'd like to move forward with us. We find that most times they do. The number one concern with most candidates is there's too much competition. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and all of the economic indicators that we have to look at show that there's really no end in sight. Our owners are empowered to make smart decisions to run and grow their business locally, and they can be very price competitive.